All right. There's the second issue when we have a router which is installed in an enterprise space. Then usually the router just does not allow you to send the signal to the router and turning it back to internal device. So there is a looping inside. So inside attack is possible. If there is inside attack, then um, the damage will be profound. So usually it is not allowed. Like here at Mercy University, we do not allow that. Therefore, um, we but in addition to the enterprise, the router, for the purpose of this course and in the cybersecurity lab, uh, we installed one extra router, which is hidden, so that we have to set it up. Uh, like we did for the home connection, what you need to do is that we on your laptop, I'll show you. I already connected to that. On your laptop here, then that is a hidden network came up. Okay. Actually, what you need to do that initially uh, you have to do that, and then you can do here other, and then you put here that one. This is the SSID, MAH dash CIS lab dash Wi-Fi, all uppercase, and then password here all lowercase, cyberlab at mercy 5. So once you connect that, after that you can see here that is, yeah, this is a this is a hidden network, as you can see here, which means it's not known to anyone. Only those who knows this router can see this. So this is connected. Likewise, on your Raspberry Pi, this is a Raspberry Pi, that you have to set it up. So what I want to do here, right now, the Wi-Fi is not set, right? So if you click this, then that is an advanced option on the bottom, advanced option. And then there is a the first one is connect to hidden Wi-Fi network. Okay, the first menu on that advanced options, connected to hidden Wi-Fi network. I want to click it. Then connection is new. Okay, we can say new, and the network name, you name it. So I would say I want to type mirrorhole 112, network name and Wi-Fi security. That should be WPA 2 personal. Okay, WPA 2 personal. Oh, network name is not arbitrary. Sorry, it should be MAH CIS lab MAH all uppercase MA. Oops. AH dash CISLAB dash Wi-Fi, and then password cyber. Mercy 5, and I want to click show password. Let me check. I think it looks okay. So this is how I typed. All right. So network name, that is the ssid. MAH-CIS lab-Wi-Fi, and the type of the protocol WBA2 personal, WBA2 or WPA3, and then the password, cyberlab@mercy5. All right. And then I want to click on the connect button. Yeah, it is connected. And then I can see there is a IP address 192.168.200 and 200.4. Okay, 204, 192.168, 192.168, 204. Do you see that? So I want to, now I need to redo as we did previously. So what I need to go is, I think I need to go to application and bring up VNC client, VNC viewer, and then I will make a new connection, and address is 192.168.200.4. I want to put here mail 112. See what happens. OK button. Okay, where is it? Okay, here, mail 112. Double click it. And I said continue. And then username. I believe username is Jaehyun, right? And then Mercy. Remember this. There's a Mercy and OK. All right. So that I have that one, right? Like I do have here, Raspberry Pi. All right. So this is well connected. All right, another thing that we want to set up is if we want to connect it automatically, whichever you are. If you are at home, then it automatically connect your home router. If you are at enterprise where there is a hidden Wi-Fi is available, and then connected to that hidden Wi-Fi, like in our settings, when you go back home to work, then your Raspberry Pi can connect to your home router so that your laptop also connected to the same home router. As far as you simply turn it on, you can use it. You don't need any extra keyboard, extra mouse, extra terminal. Only the Raspberry Pi power on, then it connects, so that you can bring your Raspberry Pi on your laptop. Okay, And also when you come back home, the school, then likewise, it automatically connected to the school ones. How can we set it up? So this is that ones. All right. So you need to go to etc WPA supplicant WPA supplicant.conf file. So we have to edit this conf file. The editor that we are going to use in the Linux is a nano. Although I prefer to use VI, but you guys, young generations, usually need something little more advanced ones. Nano is not really advanced editor if you compare with the others, but still this is much better than VI editor, which I am using. So let's use Nano, and then sudo is like a sudo. You as a the regular user are not really the root. We do not have a superpower, but if we want, we can, right? Because we are in that list. We can activate our privileges. To do so, you can start with the sudo. Okay, so let's do that. Right now, ours is here. Already the PNC manually. I want to set it up for automatic setting. Okay, this is a terminal. Terminal is I wanted to increase the font. So on the tab edit, there is a preference, and then I want to increase this to maybe 15, and then background black. Okay, foreground, I want to make it a little white, very white, and yeah, and okay. All right, I think this is much more clear to you guys. I want my cursor is no good. Anyway, so I want to go to say etc and ls. There is a WPA supplicant. See here, WPA supplicant. So cd WPA supplicant ls, and then there is a WPA supplicant.conf files. Usually what we do, this is a tip, that is a given conf file. Let's see what it is. If you want to see the content, then more is a command. So WPA supplicant.conf, no privileges. So in this case also I need to do sudo more WPA. Not much that we do here. Still, I do not want to modify it directly on that file, so I want to keep it. I want to make a original copy. Then WPA, that should be WPA, and then you can say conf, yeah, and then dash it, original. Okay, conf underscore original. Again, copy is not allowed, so sudo is needed. So that is copied. So I have files here. Originally I have 4 files. Now I have 5 files, right? So WPA conf file and WPA conf.org file. I'm going to working on this, right? So again, sudo nano WPA WAP supply dot conf. All right, and then you can do, let's say, this is control. This is new file, supplicant. Oh, WPA, because of that. I do not want this, right? Then see here, control X, that is X. How can I make this bigger? Anyway, so control X, then exit. Okay, let's see. So sudo nano WPA supplicant conf. Okay, all right, so that's nice. And here I would enter, I would type, let me push this a little bit here so that I will type that once. Okay, so network equal open curly brace ssid equal, there's no space in between equal and the values, mah dash cis lab dash Wi-Fi and the quote and next line you simply copy this cyber lab at mercy 5 and key underscore mgmt equals WPA dash PSK, and then finally close. You need to do this for your home, for others as you wish. Okay, like here, key underscore mgmt equals WPS. This is for the Mercy Lab. Okay, likewise, yours home, for example, SSID, Verizon, whatever, and then PSK, the password from your router, and all others remains the same, like here. So let me make sure that all right. And after this, then if we want to write out, then Control O. So I want to do Control O. Then it says a file name. Is this the same file name? If you want, and hit enter, then that is, so wrote 11 lines. Originally we had only 2 lines, but more lines there. I want to make sure that if there is any typo, then that'll be, looks like it is okay, right? And then I can exit, Control X. After this, I will reboot, log out, and then shut down and reboot. Okay, it is on now. So I'm going to click this. Okay, password Mercy. Takes a little while, right? I think router Wi-Fi signal is very, very weak. Looks like it is on, but yeah, it is from. Right. It is connected, but yeah, it is connected, but what is this? This is slow. That much slow. Yeah, it is connected, but very slow. I'm not sure why this is slow. Anyway, yeah, it works that way, right? All right. This is it.